Hey everybody, how's it? Welcome. Monday Night Growth Room with myself, Rickles, the founder of Ananta X. And there's a lot of stuff happening out there. There's a lot of people looking, and people are kind of wondering, and people don't really know what this is. People see the benefits and they see the this and they see the that, and then there's something about gold. And so I'm gonna eventually split this into three talks, but I've combined three into one. So just kind of on the marketing side, this is in it's going to tie in with what I'm going to chat about tonight. So there's I think there's 10 of them. This one says the question, is your current business disappearing tomorrow? Would your team still stay because of the value or only because of the opportunity? Second one, the problem. What if you could build a business around benefits people can actually use? Now, this one, calling all networkers. You already know how to build relationship, blah, blah, blah. Next one, the team builder. What if you could add another income stream to your existing team? Anyway, the difference, something that lasts, I like this one. This is why leaders pay attention, is our quarterly incentives. It's never been done before. And then obviously the gold message. Many people focus on the commissions. Smart people focus on asset, and then growth today, lead tomorrow. It's about the system. And then the last one is kind of a combination. Nantex is not the enemy. So tonight I'm going to combine three things, but the overall theme is why Nantex may be the most complete opportunity most South Africans have ever seen. So section one is about perfect partner advantage. And Nantex is not the enemy. One of the biggest misconceptions people have is that if they join an Antex, they must stop doing anything else. And that is simply not true. Antex does not compete with what you are currently doing. It complements. So if you have a job, keep your job. Use an Antex to save money, build additional income, develop additional some leadership skills, and create a second option for your future power line. And Antex is not here to replace your job tomorrow. It is here to give you more options that you have today. If you are in network marketing, keep building your business. Antex is just going to add additional benefits, additional value, auto gold accumulation, some training, and some leadership development that you can use wherever you are. Network marketers can use an Antex alongside what they are already doing. Antex does not replace your primary vehicle. It can become your strongest support structure or vehicle. If you're on direct sales, keep on selling. But now you can also access benefits, build a second income stream, develop duplication skills, and create some leadership structure. If you own a business, Antex can still help with. Business owners can benefit from personal growth, leadership development, the networking portion, additional income opportunities, and building team building concepts. Plus, there is some tax advantages. If somebody is a freelancer or an entrepreneur, keep doing what you do. And Antex can provide community, system training, personal development, and an additional income. If you already have a team, this is where most people miss the boat. If people already lead a team, a sales team, a networking team, community, or business group, then Antex can add value to those relationships because value is easier to share than opportunity. So the big difference. Most companies want exclusivity. Most companies say, don't go anywhere, don't touch anything else. And Antex says, become better at everything else. The stronger you become through an Antex, the stronger you become in your job, your business, your sales, your leadership, and your life. So whether you are employed, self-employed, direct sales, network marketing, running a business, starting from scratch, an Antex does not ask you to abandon your journey. It is there to help strengthen it. Antex is not the enemy of what you are doing. Antex is a partner that can help make what you're already doing more valuable more profitable, and more sustainable. Is one of the reasons Anatex is so powerful, because almost anyone can add it to almost anything they are already building. So section 2, why Anatex is the business South Africa has been waiting for. Not because it's perfect, but because it solves more problems than almost anything else available today. So I'm going to make a bold statement, and I've made it before. It's not an emotional statement. It's not hype. It's logical. I believe Anatex may be one of the most complete business ecosystems available to ordinary South Africans today. Not because of one feature or one product or the rewards plan. It is because of what it offers in totality. Let's chat about South Africa. And we have to be honest. We have to be transparent. There's no pretending. People are struggling. South Africa continues to battle unemployment above 30%, while many households face increasing pressure from rising living costs and economic uncertainty. Entrepreneurship is growing because people are looking for alternatives to rely solely on their jobs. So the average South African faces rising food costs, fuel costs, healthcare, education, job insecurity, and financial pressure. So here's a big question. What opportunity currently is helping people to save, build, to learn, to develop, to access benefits, build a team, earn rewards, and create a legacy? Most opportunities might solve one or two. I don't think anyone can get to three. Anatex does all of it. So let's do some comparisons to a job. A job gives you one income stream, one employer, one decision maker over your future. When your job ends, your income goes drastically down. Anatex gives you a business you can build, a team you can grow, skills that stay with you, leadership development, and a duplication system. The job pays you, and Anatex developed you. Let's look at traditional network marketing. Many network marketing companies focus primarily on product movement, product consumption, and product education. And there's nothing wrong with that. That is the way it is. Anatex starts with benefits, savings, protection, education, auto gold accumulation, community, and leadership. Most companies have a product. Anatex has an ecosystem. Let's look at direct selling. The Direct Selling Association reports that direct selling creates over 500,000 income opportunities in South Africa and generated billions in economic activity. It remains a proven model for entrepreneurship. Anatex takes many of the strength of direct selling, takes a lot of the negative stuff away, and combines it with benefits, digital systems, personal development, and wealth building habits. And Anatex is not trying to replace direct selling. It is evolving beyond it. Now, there's that word that I don't like. It's the word evolve. But that's what people understand. Let's look at these get rich quick schemes. Now, come on. Let's be honest. Some of us, a lot of us, have been burned. Primarily because they promise fast money, passive income, and massive returns. The reality, high risk, little education, no personal development, no duplication system, and no real community. Even industry reports that identify crypto scams as one of the major threats affecting South Africans. Anatex is not built on speculation, but rather on participation. Let's look at investment. Investments are good and important, and we should have them. Most investments require capital, knowledge, and patience. Most South Africans never start because they feel they do not have enough money. Anatex helps people start where they are. Through our auto gold accumulation, it introduces asset building habits. Most investments needs money first, and AntaX help build the mindset first. Let's look at side hustles. Most side hustles depend entirely on the person. That person. If they stop working, they stop earning. And AntaX allows duplication, team building, leadership growth, and long-term leverage. Side hustle creates activity. A system creates momentum. So the big difference, most organizations spend huge amounts on advertising, marketing, and corporate expansion. That last one, corporate expansion, and AntaX directs 50% of every membership contribution into the rewards ecosystem. Please think about that. There's 50% of every membership available towards rewards. Half the membership contribution is allocated towards rewarding and supporting community growth. That's not common. It's not normal. It doesn't happen. I've never seen it in all my years. Never, ever, ever, ever have I seen this. Never. And that's a completely different philosophy. Why this matters? Because we can potentially benefit from all of this. Benefit, savings, auto gold, rewards, recognition, leadership growth, quarterly incentives, academy access, and community support. Here's the ultimate advantage. Greatest value of an AntaX is not the gold, the rewards, the incentives, or even the benefits. The greatest value is who we become. If you attend enough growth rooms, trainings, action, leadership, and duplication, you become more valuable. And valuable people create valuable lives. So here's the challenge. We need to stop asking, is an AntaX the best? Start asking, where else can I get all of this in one place? All of that in one place. Here's a statement. An AntaX is not competing with one industry. It combines the strongest elements of several industries into one ecosystem. And that's why when people only look at the price, they miss the opportunity. People who see the ecosystem see the future. And then section 3, we need to stop comparing an AntaX to one thing, and we need to look at the whole picture. Tonight, I want to challenge people the way they look at opportunities, because most people make a massive, life devastating mistake. They want to try and compare an AntaX to one thing. They want to compare it to a job, maybe a network marketing company, a savings plan, investment, a side hustle, or even some other loyalty programs. And because they compare it to one thing, they completely miss it. Big question, what if the biggest opportunity in front of you isn't the one paying the most today, but the one creating the most value over time? Because value creates sustainability. Value creates loyalty, creates growth, and it creates wealth. It's a South African reality, and I go through this again. Let's be South Africans. South Africans, as people in the world, are under pressure. Food up, fuel up, healthcare up, education up, economic uncertainties and job insecurities. The average person is not looking for luxury. The average person is looking for relief. What's a challenge with most opportunities? Most opportunities solve one problem. A job solves income. An investment solves growth. A savings account solves savings. A product business solves product distribution. And a side hustle solves extra income. But life is not one problem. There is many. And most opportunities solve one piece of the puzzle, and AntaX attempts to solve the puzzle itself. So what makes an AntaX different? It starts with value, before the income, before the rewards, before the leadership. Members receive the savings, the benefits, protection, education, travel, emergency assistance, and more. The ecosystem starts helping people even before they build. It creates wealth thinking. Most people spend, few people accumulate. And Antex introduced now the auto gold accumulation, a completely different mindset. Instead of only consuming, members begin accumulating assets. For most membership cost money, and Antex introduces the concept of accumulation. It develops people. Most opportunities teach sell. And Antex teaches leadership, communication, discipline, personal growth, wealth thinking, and duplication through what? Growth room, access. Academy, access. 5 steps and 10 skills. It's on the systems. It's there. People become more valuable, and valuable people create valuable results. It allows ordinary people to start. You don't need huge capital, inventory, special qualifications, and no business degrees. You need 3 things. You need a system, you need a willingness to learn, and a willingness to act. And Antex is designed for ordinary people who are willing to become extraordinary. The reward structure is different. This is something many people completely miss. 50% of every membership contribution is allocated towards the rewards ecosystem. Unlimited front, 5 levels deep. Think about that. Most companies spend millions on advertising, celebrity endorsements, and marketing campaigns, and Antex directs a substantial portion of membership contributions back into the community. This is completely different from anybody else. That means we have a different philosophy. Incentive difference. Most organizations offer, small bonuses, temporary promotions, and short-term excitement. You build, you get, cheers, goodbye. You need to go bigger to get again. No, not with an Antex. Includes recognition, rank advancement, cash incentives, holiday incentives, and quarterly reward opportunities. Long-term leadership progression. The goal is not simply earning. The goal is building. Biggest advantage of all. This is where most people completely miss it, and I'm going to say it again. The greatest value in an Antex is not the benefits, the gold, the rewards, and the incentives. The greatest value is who we become. Again, after enough growth rooms, enough learning, leadership, and action, we become a better communicator, a better leader, a better builder, a better parent. I believe better entrepreneurs and better wealth creators. Here's a question that changes everything. People keep asking, can an Antex change my life? That's not quite the right question. The better question is, can I become the type of person that an Antex will reward? Because the system only rewards consistency, action, leadership, service, and duplication. That's all it does. Anyway, here's a wake-up call. South Africa does not need more spectators, does not need more people waiting, does not need more people hoping. South Africa needs builders. It needs leaders, trailblazers. It needs people willing to create their own future. Now, if an Antex only offered benefits, it would be valuable. If it only had auto gold accumulation, it would be valuable. If it only had training, it would be valuable. If it only had rewards, it would be valuable. But when you combine all of that, everything in one, you begin to understand why so many people are missing the bigger picture. Most people are looking for a way to make money. And Antex was designed to help people build a better life. And that is a much bigger opportunity. And here's literally the last line. Do not ask whether Nantex is big enough for your future. Ask whether your future is big enough for what Ananta-X can become. So get back to the person that sent you this. I'm going to split this into 3 different talks, but for you guys on the growth room, I wanted to do it all in one. I did go through it fairly fast, and that's why I put everything on the screen. As much as I say, I put on the screen so people can follow, rewind, listen again, look again, make notes, whatever you want to do. But Ananta is so big. It is so massively big. People miss it. And it's not always their fault, because that's how people are trained. That's how people are mind-washed and brainwashed to follow like little sheepies. That's the truth. And I believe Ananta-X is a way to break free, because every person that gets involved, like you, are your own independent leader. You have your own independent business. So why is that different from anything else? And I've thought about that a lot. I mean, why is this different? Because if I was in another company, I was just kind of working for somebody else. Now, let me answer that question. If anybody's involved in Ananta-X, who are you working for? You're not working for the corporate company, because Ananta-X is not structured as a corporate company. You're not paying the big boys and the big girls, because there are no big boys and big girls. Ananta-X makes just enough, a little bit, to cover the expenses, to just let it run. So that's why in other companies, most of the profits, a lot of the profits goes to the corporate, not in Ananta-X. 50% of every membership is allocated towards rewards in gold for you and me. Think about that. Just kind of let it sit in there. There's nobody that can even try and remotely compare to what this is. There's nothing. And when some people are going to really look and see, it is going to be very exciting. And there are a lot of people looking. A lot of people. But people still don't. That's why I kind of did this talk tonight. Because a lot of people, they are doing what they're doing, and everybody's in the mindset, I'm doing X, Y, Z, ABC company, whatever. So I can't go and look there because I have to stay here. I can only be here. And that's the message that we need to get out there, that is going out there, is that it doesn't matter what you're doing. Ananta-X completes. If you don't want to build, don't. You've got a whole ecosystem. It's a buffet. We pick and choose. But this is the thing. Once you get going, this buffet keeps on giving and giving and giving and giving and giving. So Ananta-X is big, and I'm going to just kind of repeat this last 2 lines again. Do not ask whether Ananta-X is big enough for your future. Ask whether your future is big enough for what Ananta-X can become in you, with you, and through you, for you and your family.